Ladies and gentlemen, welcome all of you. I hope you enjoyed lunch, that you enjoyed the poster sessions, but that you most of all enjoyed talking to each other and have discussions with each other about this important energy conversion technology that we discussed today. I welcome now on stage Dr. Akbariah Mohd Mahdzir, as he is Deputy Director of the Ocean Thermal Energy Center at the Technical University of Malaysia. So you could say it is sister university of Technical University of Delft. This OTEC Center is founded in 2013 and is researching the application of OTEC in Malaysian coastal waters. So Mrs. Mahdzir will introduce to us the OTEC development in Malaysia through offsets program. Please have the floor.
Thank you. Goedemiddag. Is that the right way to say? Okay. Good afternoon. Now, I hope you had a good lunch. All right. For the next 20 or 15 minutes, I hope to be able to share with you our experiences, issues and challenges that we, OTEC in Malaysia, have gone through and what we have achieved up till today. But before I proceed, I just want to say thank you to the organizing committee for planning and preparing such a beautiful event for all of us. Okay. Hopefully, in the next 50 minutes, as mentioned, this presentation will walk through these themes. Hopefully, I can elaborate on this. Now, first and foremost, all right. Definitely throughout these years, one of the common issues that we keep on discussing is on the finance aspect. Technically, we have evolved, we have developed, we are there. We even have a commercialized plan. However, we always have to face the challenge of financing the OTEC development. In Malaysia in particular, we are very unique because we have this culture of wait and see. Okay? So, we don't invest yet. So this has hindered institution in particular to invest or to take the lead. So for the past few years, we have been trying to promote OTEC in Malaysia in particular, and we have met hundreds of entities, making them aware, in particular the investors. And we believe learning from past experiences from other countries, the first initial pioneer plan has to be invested by the government. All right. Initially, not now, initially, we also have some challenges in terms of policy and regulations. However, now we have sufficient law for OTEC to be developed in Malaysia. Okay, so offset program, how did we leverage on this? In the 80s, it is known as the counter trade. Now, we have different name. We call it offset or industrial collaborative program. It's basically a commercialized counter trade program that is applied to all government procurement. That is related to the supply, to the services and work. With the intention, actually, basically the what you call that? The cut-off point of 50 million ringgit. So all entities that met that threshold will have to participate in what we call an offset program. Okay, so basically it's a win-win situation where both parties will be able to benefit from the development. Okay, so in this context, the OTEC Malaysia leverage on the available procurement that we had on other projects, and to kickstart our initial program, which is conducting the first pre-feasibility studies, which is important before we go into our EIA, therefore to get project approval. So As I mentioned, it's a win-win situation in Malaysia. The one that is in charge of OTEC or offset program is the Technology Depository Agencies. And as of now, they have managed ICP for more than 40 billion government procurement. So these are some of the offset program, and OTEC Malaysia take the chance and opportunity to tap into one of these. Yeah, we have the MESAT program and all the other programs also. Interestingly, these are the priority areas of the Malaysian offset, and OTEC are able to address all of these priority areas. Yeah, people when talk about energy security, food security, even up to cyber security. With the availability of the hydrogen, we can have fuel cells, so we can actually address up until the cyber security issues. So that what actually appeal to the government and actually allow us to have the grant and support from the government itself. Yeah. Okay, this is very tiny, but what I'm just going to share with you, what have we gone through up until today for us to get the approval and grants to actually develop OTEC in Malaysia. It started off in 2006-2008 expedition, where we discovered that we have a great potential to develop OTEC in Malaysia. And it was in 2012, yeah? Thank you. We were very blessed to meet during the meeting with the Prime Minister, Mr. Ted Johnson also here, yeah? We were actually being mandated to develop OTEC in Malaysia. Then, throughout 2013 to 15, we have been doing rigorous promotion and awareness, not just in Malaysia, but in the region, of the importance of the potential of OTEC and how it contributes to not only energy security, but also socio-economic development. And we have actually been quite successful in doing that in the region. In May this year, this is where, after all the hard work, where we got the first grant. So it was continuous promotion, briefings and preparing the financial framework, legal framework, make sure everything is in order. And as of May this year, we got the grant to kick off the first pre-feasibility studies, and hopefully by December, we'll be getting the full report for us to kickstart for the EIA, hopefully, and we'll see how. This is the roadmap of OTEC development. We are in our first phase of OTEC development in Malaysia. Hopefully by 2020, hopefully, we'll be able to reach installation capacity of 20 megawatt with 2 OTEC plant. Okay. Just a quick look of the potential of OTEC in Malaysia. We have approximately about 100,000 potential OTEC in Malaysia, 100,000 megawatt of OTEC in Malaysia. Multiple site, multiple plants that can be established, and most investors are welcome. Yeah. So this is the recent collaboration that we had with DCNS. Hopefully this will be a good start for us. And how do we move forward from here? Yeah, we are very lucky, we are blessed. The subject of ocean energy has been incorporated in the recent 11th Malaysia Plan, and hopefully, yeah, we are able to leverage on this policy to actually apply for development grant. And this will be the first public-funded OTEC project of Pulau Layang under the 11th Malaysian Plan. So, in conclusion, what I want to say is that we are able to leverage on a collaborative tool, economic collaborative tool to kickstart our project in Malaysia. And we are ready to actually receive investors to come to Malaysia. As of now, OTEC project are able to gain access up to 200 million in terms of facilitation fund. We have strong support from the MIDA, which is Malaysian Investment Development Authority, where they will assist in terms of tax allowance, exemption of import duties, and we also have that 2% reduction of interest rate. So hopefully this project will kick off soon. The plan will be up soon, and we like to welcome any question in it. Thank you.
So thank you very much for presenting this ambitious plan. You started you started late, but you may probably overtake everyone if you continue as you planned. So sounds very good. Are there questions? Yes, Berend, Jan?
Thanks for your presentation. I was interested to hear from you whether Malaysia has OTEC industry itself, apart from the UTM University.
OTEC as industry, UTM is a research university. We were given the mandate to develop OTEC as an industry in Malaysia, but we were parked under the university. But our aim is commercialization. So we are doing commercialization, then R&D. So that is our business model, CDR.
Okay, one question from my side. When you talk about this offset funding, should I think in fixed amounts per ton of CO2 avoided, or how is that arranged?
Yeah.
This offset funding, how is that arranged? Are these fixed amounts per ton of CO2 avoided?
A certain amount? Yeah, there are some amount that we got approval of.
Yeah, but it's a percentage of investment or so.
Yes,
yeah.
yes,
Okay,
yes.
good. Are there other questions? Okay, then I thank you very much for your very clear presentation.